Blue skies and bright sunshine. That's what we've had throughout the day today. A gorgeous scene as we look west across downtown Springfield, the city of Springfield, really. And we're finding sunny skies with some high cloudiness way off in the distance. Temperatures this morning, comfy cool. Started off in the 50s across the area. 54 was the morning low in Springfield. That is the coolest reading since the end of May, and not too far off the record low of 47 set back in 1913. The average low this time of the year is 63. It is a quiet pattern. It's a comfortable pattern. Looking off to the west and southwest, you can see this is what we're looking at on our tower cam. Some high cloudiness off to the west and southwest, and one lone thunderstorm near Tulsa. Kind of a sign of where we're going. Why is that thunderstorm there? Why is it warmer there? Why is it more humid? Well, that's where a front is currently situated, and we've got converging winds, so the moisture is also piling up along the front, and we've got a pocket of higher humidity there as a result. The air is still very comfortable locally across most of our area, although it's probably a touch more humid in places like Eureka Springs and Jasper and northwest Arkansas. Now, as we work through tonight, humidity levels stay low, but during the day on Wednesday, you'll notice a noticeable uptick in humidity from morning into the afternoon as that warm front moves back to the northeast and winds become more south to southwesterly. So it's going to be muggier, I think, in the afternoon on Wednesday. And with that increase in moisture, maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Overnight tonight, though, stays quiet. We'll find mostly clear skies and bright moonshine. And for the morning hours on Wednesday, it certainly will be dry. During the afternoon, though, we may bubble up to clouds, and there could be an isolated shower or two that tries to pop up during the afternoon heat over southwest Missouri or northwest Arkansas. Temperatures tonight dropping into the upper 50s and low 60s. Highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s. It'll be one of the warmest days so far in 2025. Our warmest day in Springfield was back on Sunday when we hit 87, and I think we'll hit 87 tomorrow. Looking ahead to tomorrow night, with that increase in humidity, it's not going to get as cool. Looks like lows in the mid to upper 60s. And then on Thursday, I think we're going to find highs back in the low to mid 80s, but cloud cover and even a chance for rain having an impact on just how warm we get on Thursday. And that increase in rain chances will look like this as we work through the day on Thursday. You notice that big blob of showers and thunderstorms over Oklahoma and Texas. And on the outer edge of this, I think we're going to find at least widely scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday afternoon over parts of western Missouri into northwest Arkansas. The culprit behind that is going to be a slow-moving system that will spin its way out of Texas and Oklahoma and across the Ozarks Friday, and then should move east of the area this upcoming weekend. I think Friday out of the stretch looks to be the wettest, and I think there could be in this scenario some pockets, localized pockets of heavy rainfall, little to no chance for severe weather, but there could be some lightning with some of the thunderstorm activity, obviously. Looking at your weekend forecast, you can see, looks like as we get into the weekend, I do expect partly cloudy skies, more sunshine, warmer too, with highs in the mid to upper 80s and lows in the upper 60s, with a chance for some mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Bailey?
All right.